guys. So in this video we will learn the lint package and why we should use that package and what are the benefits of it. So it's my existing projects that's I'm working for demo purpose. So I have make a video for the why we should use constant and why state management and how can we increase the performance of application. And whenever you are working in the team, then it's very important that how you can manage or how you can maintain your code standard, right? So here's you know I have written some code that's not a proper as the documentation. Like here is this is the hard value view, right? Is a constant. It will not change anytime. If I'll call the set state, then build method rebuild. So that time it will again regenerate, right? So here we should use like that const. So this type of like suppose then if I have created a variable and that is not using, then it should give the hint like warning that developer can understand easily. Suppose then I make it is a private variable, then this automatic id should give the hint developer that you make it private. So these rules can be written somewhere. So for that purpose we can use a package that provided by the Flutter. So I'll try that one. So I have already tried, but I'll show you how can give you an example. So now whenever you will create a project new Android, then this file will not come. If you use skeleton template, then it will come. So that will explain later. So first I'll add a one package here. This one, this name is Flutter lints. It's provided by the Flutter team, and you can check it on the browser also here. This is the 100% popularity, and you can get a guide from here by defaultly, but I'll explain how can we implement and how it's beneficial for us, right? After add this package in the dev dependency, and after that I'll create a one yam file. Its name is analysis underscore options, right? And even if you have not implemented this package, then you can run a command in this one flutter analysis, then that will give you hint that what you should need to improve code, right? So whenever you will go there, they will provide you like this file also. You just copy paste here and create a one file and copy paste here, right? After that it will automatically provide you default rules, and if you want extra, then you can mention here also. That is also other thing, but first I'll give you after implementing this what will be the change and what Flutter provide us the hint. Yeah, here I am. So still it's scanning. Let's see how much it will take time. Yeah, it's done. So now hopefully it will give us some suggestion. Suppose then I remove your constant, so it should give us. Okay, until it's not giving, let's make it here is anything. Yeah, this one I have commented, but if you will see here, it's not commented. I commented it's for showing you that after enable this I'll get here some. So let me first put up a get. Yeah, so you know that now it's showing the hint, right? You should use the pre-constant things like this. prefer constant with the constant constructor, because this is a one stateless visit and you will go there. There is they are using a constant constructor, so that's why we need to allow their constant, this one. So it will give us a hint. So in your team there are many developers, so they can automatically know what you should use. Suppose, and if I'll remove here from this, then it will give the some assignment you should need to it a private variable, or if it's not using, then it also, suppose, and I created a one variable here, any variable that's not using, then it will give you it's not unused variable, so you can remove it, right? So like that, after adding that package, this will give us a hint. Okay, I created that. Now see here, I have not created a constructor for this class, so it will give a warning that you should use a constructor for this class. And you will come here, then this is the, here I am using not dynamic things, right? This text is static, so it will not update anytime whenever this build method rebuild, right? So that's why they they said us that you should use here constant value. So after adding it, it will remove. So this is the advantage of this lint package. It's guide us to improve our code. Okay, yeah. And if you will read this file, they will show us means like invoke from the command line by running the flutter analyze. So if I'll run this command, they will suggest us where we can improve our code, what should we avoid things. If I run here flutter analyze command, then here also they will provide. Okay, so until this command is executing, we will check some other what they suggesting us. Suppose then I'll come down, or I'll check from here also, right? Same thing, most of places they suggest us constant, right? And other file also they are constant. I have added already most of places. If will check another, if I got some another file, let's see where we can, story pages I have added already. Okay, yeah, same here, they will give guide us like what we can improve const here. So I want to show you some different, they will suggest, yeah. So this command also run, and now see here, they are suggesting us that 314 314 places we need to change the coding string, right? So what they are suggesting, suppose in this file, this is the my class name, this one, this is stories pages. Actually my laptop is slowing, so first I close that one. Okay, so now they are suggesting in this file use const, so most of places const, and here they are suggesting name source files using lower cases. So in this these places, because class name should be start from the small cases. So these are the standard they Google team has suggest us. So same thing they manage here, and it's not a error, it's warning. So that's why it's very important in a team, and after that we can use it. So same here, they are also suggesting use preconst. I'm checking another, right? Now here is not need constant, but what they are suggesting us, let's see. after clicking mouse they are suggesting unnecessary new keyword, because eh, see in Java we need to new keyword for creating object, but in Dart no need. So that's why. So why you are adding new keyword if they not required, right? See here what they are suggesting us. Use collection retrieval when possible. Okay, next things. And suppose, yeah, we can change whatever they are suggesting, convert to the literal. Same thing here also, they will give a constant, and they are suggesting us because it's important. Like if I'm not using set state, mostly it's a state less class, but if you create it as a stateful, right, then you call the set state, then this whole rebuild method will call again and again, and that time these those are have the constant value. Those are not need to um, execute every time whenever build method call. That's why they added constant. So this time what will happen, this value execute only first time whenever this class will call, and whenever you call suppose 100 times set state in this same class, then 100 times this visit will not execute, this build visit not regenerate, right? So that's why they suggest us these things. Same. So it is the purpose. I hopefully that you learn something from this package. And if you will search here, there are different type of packages for using this lint. So I go through different, but I find out that it is the best one, and that's why it's popularity 100. If you will previously some developer using that one was lints. So there is a it's one also, but this one is the best if you will use, because it's there is, you don't need to write some like your yourself any um, rules they provide us. I don't know why is so slow my it's taking time. But yeah, there is a one lints, and other one is there, I think other one also I don't remember, but let's see. So it's very slow. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, here is this. So this is 90% popular, and other ones, this is the there one is a pedantic. Which one is pedantic? Yeah, pedantic. Not pedantic. Then what was that? Yeah, this one is 91. This is a publisher by this. I have used this one also, but I and customized static analytics also, that you can get from their rules. Dun, 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 dun. There was something called pedantic. Yes. Not this one. I'm looking for pedantic. Yeah, this one. But it's a deprecated. So it's published by Google, but they suggest us use the Flutter lint. See here. His package is deprecated before it was deprecated, and they are suggesting us that, or you should use this one, and we are using already this one. So Google also suggest we should use this one package. I hopefully you like this video. If you like, please subscribe and like. Thank you.